This is just sick. A blood donation nonprofit, OneBlood, was recently hit with ransomware. Terrible. That's right. OneBlood, a non-profit blood donation organization, has been hit by a ransomware attack that has significantly reduced its operational capacity. The organizational efforts is working with cybersecurity efforts and experts and law enforcement to restore its systems and has reverted to manual processes right now, which they know may slow down operations. While OneBlood remains functional, it has requested that 250 hospitals its service activate blood shortage protocols and has called for blood donations, especially for type O and O negative and platelets. This includes highlights of growing threats that are emerging of ransomware attacks and the healthcare sector. Let me know your thoughts about this, but this is just a crime that they go after a healthcare institution.